sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. I hope you guys welding a lot. Welcome back to another video from Captain Manny. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how my test weld went. We're using 71M wire right here, 0.045. The same I was using when I was practicing from Lincoln. And this is a weld shop that I took the test at. This is some practice coupons that people were using here. They told us we can use whatever we need to practice. And this is a coupon that they give me. This is a coupon that Captain Man is gonna weld on. Oh my gosh! So nervous. Always nervous when you're taking a weld test. I guess that's me. You know, especially one that you have never taken before, like this one. I have never taken this test before, so I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? So that's why I practice on my house. I bought the same wire that we're gonna use, 71M right here, and I had to put it on 45, like I said in my video before. And we're using Lincoln wire machine right here, and then you have to put the ring right there. Make sure it's like less than an inch from the bevel, and once you tack it and fuck it, you're ready to go. So this is what it looks like, guys. I use right here, they use 75 25, the same bottle I bought, I mean the same gas I had at home, so everything should be good. I did some practice runs as on display right here, and they kept displays because they like it so much. They were like, oh my gosh, we love this welding. Who are you? I was like, man, this is Captain Manny. Nah, they didn't say that, but they were like, man, that's pretty good welding. So after we were done tacking and everything, we start welding. There was another welder taking the same test like me. That's right, and he had never taken the test before, just like me. I was like, god damn. So we just start welding like make monkeys, like crazy. It took us like 3 hours to finish it. After that, they said just leave them there. We'll call you back to see if it passed. And you know that feeling when you waiting for them to call you to see if you pass or not. And by the way, the mine is right. This one right here, the one on the right. This one right there. Yeah. It always a lot nervous when then they call me and they say I passed. I was like, god damn, you feel like you're on the top of the world. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. So this is the video today, guys. So stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. Stay safe out there and keep welding on. All right. See ya.